Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your car with modern, smart features without replacing your entire stereo system, then a portable CarPlay screen is one of the best upgrades you can get in 2026. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best CarPlay screens that offer wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS navigation, dash cams, backup cameras, voice control, and even streaming apps. Whether you drive an older car or simply want a larger smart display, these CarPlay screens can completely transform your driving experience. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 9-inch wireless Apple CarPlay screen with 4K dash cam. This powerful 9-inch wireless Apple CarPlay screen packed with premium features. It includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, a built-in 4K dash cam, 1080p backup camera, GPS navigation, Bluetooth, and voice control. The touchscreen is responsive and easy to use, while the Mirror Link feature lets you display content directly from your smartphone. Installation is also simple since it's a portable plug-and-play system. Pros: built-in 4K dash cam, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, includes 1080p backup camera, voice control and GPS navigation, easy installation for most vehicles. This CarPlay screen offers an excellent balance of smart features, safety tools, and video quality. The built-in 4K dash cam really helps it stand out from the competition. If you want the best all-around portable CarPlay screen in 2026, this is an outstanding option. Number 2. 11-inch AI CarPlay screen with Google Play access. Next, we have one of the most advanced CarPlay displays on the market. This 11-inch AI-powered screen gives you full Google Play access, allowing you to download apps for streaming, navigation, AI tools, and more. It features an 8-core processor, built-in GPS, ultra-smooth 60 FPS display, Android Auto, OTA updates, and a 1080p DVR camera. Pros: massive 11-inch ultra-wide display, full Google Play app support, fast 8-core processor performance, smooth 60 FPS screen experience, built-in GPS and DVR camera. This device feels more like a smart tablet for your car than a standard CarPlay screen. The app support and smooth performance make it ideal for tech enthusiasts. If you want maximum smart functionality and app support, this AI CarPlay screen is a top-tier choice. Number 3. 11-inch extra-large wireless Apple CarPlay screen. Next, explore this ultra-slim 11-inch wireless Apple CarPlay screen. It features a sleek, modern design with a super thin display, making it look premium inside almost any vehicle. It also includes a 4K dash cam, 1080p backup camera, GPS navigation, voice control, and Android Auto support. Pros: large, ultra-slim 11-inch display, premium modern design, built-in 4K dash cam, wireless connectivity works smoothly, great for navigation and media. This screen combines style and functionality really well. The large display is perfect for maps, music, and hands-free driving. If you want a premium-looking CarPlay screen with a huge display, this is an excellent option. Number 4. 8.1-inch HD CarPlay screen with 2K dash cam. Now we have this compact and affordable 8.1-inch HD CarPlay screen. Despite the lower price, it still includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a 2K dash cam, 1080p backup camera, Bluetooth, aux support, and GPS functionality. The smaller size works especially well for compact cars and minimal dashboard setups. Pros: affordable pricing, includes 2K dash cam, compact design fits most vehicles, easy-to-use touchscreen interface, good connectivity options. This is a great budget-friendly option for drivers who want modern CarPlay features without spending too much money. For affordable smart car upgrades, this portable CarPlay screen delivers strong value. Number 5. LAMTTO 9-inch wireless CarPlay screen. Next, we have the LAMTTO 9-inch wireless CarPlay screen. This model stands out because it supports streaming apps like Netflix and YouTube directly from the display. It also includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, Bluetooth, voice control, aux support, Siri compatibility, and a backup camera. Pros: supports YouTube and Netflix apps, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, easy portable installation, good navigation and voice control features, great entertainment option for passengers. This LAMTTO screen focuses heavily on entertainment features while still offering solid navigation and smart driving tools. If you want a CarPlay screen that doubles as an entertainment system, this is a fun and feature-packed option. So that was our list of the top 5 best CarPlay screens in 2026. If you want the best overall performance and safety features, the number 1 model is the clear winner. If you prefer advanced smart features and app support, the number 2 AI CarPlay screen is incredibly impressive. And if you're shopping on a budget, the number 4 model offers excellent value. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car tech reviews and buying guides. And let us know in the comments, which CarPlay screen would you install in your car?